What's going on YouTube? Been a while since we made a video. Been busy working. I was out of town working for General Motors on pre-production stuff that I can't really talk about. But with the cooler weather here in Texas, started working on the car again. So I wanted to bring an unboxing as we're trying to get the interior back together. Got the Dynamat Custom Cut kit. It's a little bit more. I'd say there's probably a lot more, but see, it's first generation F body, XGM F1F. Works for both coupe and convertible. So I'm gonna cut her open and see what's inside it. As you see, you got the inside torn apart. All my harness is out. I'm trying to put some carpet in, so let's see how this actually looks. It's a stout little thin box. It's like 14 pounds or something. First look right here. It's like on a paper backing. There we go. Let's see here. Let's see, it's pre-cut. Not really labeled as to where goes what. Interesting. Any instructions? Might just, oh, there's something. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, it's like a booklet. Give me 1 second. Get this opened up. Blah blah blah. Okay, all stuff we all know about. If we're doing Dynamat, you already know about this stuff already. So throw that down there. There we go. Here's your diagram. So you got a rear floor, under seat, front floor, power wall tunnel, front floor, front floor, front floor. That's good because I was fighting with the rib nuts today, getting those installed for my console. Upholstery trim, cleaning dust and debris, test fit. The back is still on. It says, some say use a roller. I'm going to use a baseball because they're just free and I have them. So let's keep going here. Wrap this up. So how many pieces we got now? We got 1, 2, and 3. Should be 8 pieces. 8 pieces. Four. 5. So those are cut out for the seat belts. I'll have to take another video once I get it all in. 6 and 7. And here will be numero number 8. Pow, right there. All right. So guys, that's it for the unboxing of the Dynamat Extreme Custom Cut first generation F body. Remember, coupe and convertible, same part number. It's a XGM F1F. Got mine at Summit a long time ago when they did their grand opening. Just haven't got around to do interior because of traveling for work and the heat. But hopefully we'll get this in, get my carpet in, and then keep trucking along. All right, until next time, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.